It's Mike. Here comes Killer Mike, bitch. Mike the Killer.
What's going on here?
Here we go.
Oh, the referee needs to get control of this.
Yeah, that didn't take long.
Snapmare takedown. What a roundhouse kick. What a stomp.
Good grief. The slam.
Sling blade.
Nicely done.
Things not looking great for Finn Balor. He looks incredibly motivated, though. Don't expect him to be down for long.
I suspect this is all part of the process, guys. I don't think you'd tap now, but this certainly lays the foundation for a tap out in the near future.
This match is so evenly contested right now that it's almost impossible to pick a winner.
Oh.
I guess we'll just have to settle in and enjoy the action.
This should be an incredible matchup. I mean, both men have extensive offensive repertoires, lasting endurance, and an insatiable appetite to be number one.
They can't walk after that attack to the back.
Finn Balor starting to stumble now. This is not where he wants to be right now, guys.
Yeah, I'm sure he saw things going differently for him here tonight, but that clearly isn't the case, unfortunately for him.
An incredible combination. Drop kick.
Oh, great height. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Here he goes. Knee right to the face.
That knee is a lethal weapon. Things are about as bad as they could possibly be right now for Finn Balor. X marks the spot on that one.
He's looking at it.
Harsh impact. This one is over.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Boom.
Looking at it here.
This just ain't gonna do it.
He fights his way free.
But how much energy did he exhaust fighting his way out?
Toss to the outside.
The WWE Universe witnessed a classic submission match at 2016's Extreme Rules event. The Queen, Charlotte Flair, defended her Women's Championship against Natalya. The one thing I thought was unfair about the match is that there was a ban against the Nature Boy Ric Flair being at ringside. If Flair appeared, Charlotte would lose the match and her women's crown.
Corey, you spoke of the submission match between Charlotte Flair and Natalya, and I need to point out that this match was not Flair's figure eight versus Natalya's sharpshooter. Victory could be achieved by making your opponent tap out to any submission maneuver.
I think we all know why the Nature Boy was banned from ringside.
When Natalya had Charlotte locked in the sharpshooter, it seemed that the Queen of Hearts was going to be crowned the new champion. Of course, that was until Dana Brooke distracted Natty, giving Charlotte the opening to lock on the figure 8 and force Natalya to submit. It wouldn't be a Flair match without a little bit of controversy, would it?
In a submission match, the name of the game is to make your opponent tap out from a submission move. There have been so many submission specialists throughout the history of this great business. Bret Hitman Hart, Kurt Angle, Brock Lesnar, William Regal, and Daniel Bryan are a few who come to mind. And on the women's side, I think about Alundra Blaze, Natalya, Becky Lynch, Charlotte Flair, and the boss, Sasha Banks.
Corey, earlier you spoke about a submission match, and one thing I'd like to point out is that a submission match is not necessarily the same as an I Quit match. The key difference is that a submission match requires the use of a submission maneuver. In an I Quit match, victory can be achieved by bringing your opponent to the point where they quit as a result of the overall punishment they've received in the match.
That's an important distinction, Michael, especially since a superstar can win an I Quit match by using a submission maneuver. For superstars who aren't proficient in submission moves, they enter this type of match at a disadvantage. It doesn't mean they can't win, but they need to perfect applying a submission move quickly. Come on, Corey, try and keep up.
Nasty impact.
That's what he was looking for, Michael. And Finn Balor slips out of harm's way.
Extraordinary elusivity.
The Irishman has his Irish up.
At this point, you have to figure that the next person to apply a submission will win. There he goes, crashing to the floor. At this point, you have to figure that the next person to apply a submission will win. Oh, he's able to reverse it. Back now inside the ring. And it's reversed. Dodges that one. A knee drop. He's in a little bit of trouble now. He'll need to find a way to turn things around here.
Man, he was making it look easy there for a moment, which is pretty impressive considering who he's in the ring with.
Inverted DDT. A minor miracle might be needed to overcome this beating. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
I don't like the look in his eye here, folks.
Look out!
He might have it. Is he done? Whoa, he lets him out.
What a fool. He had him dead to rights.
What a hellaciously physical match these gladiators have put themselves through. The intensity of this has been incredible. Submission time. Is he done? I can't believe it. He broke the hold.
And just in the nick of time, Cole. His face was turning all sorts of colors.
Face buster!
Oh boy, he is rolling.
This one.
Brutal knee right to the face. That might have done it, Cole.
Finn Balor slips out of harm's way.
Extraordinary elusivity. Oh, and he reverses it. He wants it one more time.
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
Things are not looking very good right now. Gonna have to find a way to regroup.
Ooh, kick to the face.
I think we're about to see a high-risk move from the top rope.
Finn Balor perched on top. Here it comes.
Bad move there.
I don't know what made him think that was a good idea.
When this guy's on, look out. One more.
It'll destroy your face.
That has got to be it.
It's like deja vu all over again. Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Belly and back suplex. Beautiful technique.
And Finn Balor slips out of harm's way.
Extraordinary elusivity.
And the DDT.
He wants no part of the outside. Incoming. This might be it.
Oh my.
Knocked off his feet.
Now that's a takedown.
Here he goes. Is he done? Going for something else, it seems.
I suspect he knows something that we don't, Cole. Why else would he just let him out of that hole?
He might have it.
There's no way he's giving up now.
He releases it.
And you can debate whether or not that would have been the end. Interesting decision there.
What a slam.
Impactful. Will jar your spine.
And Finn Balor slips out of harm's way.
Extraordinary elusivity. Cross the shoulders, up and
Check. Going all the way up.
This is where Finn Balor's at home.
Oh, and a terrific reversal by Finn Balor. Looking for the exclamation point. Is he done? He breaks it. I can't believe it.
I can't believe I'm going to say this, but I'm with you, Cole. So unbelievable that he broke out of that. Nailed it. What a comeback.
He got him there.
Just look at this, Cole. Wow.
And there's the reversal from Finn Balor. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Constructing the knee there.
Gets out of the way of that one. Oh, and a terrific reversal by Finn Balor. Showing some quickness there. Oh, what a slam! That hurt! Back in the ring now.
Drop kick hits the mark.
This could end it in a hurry.
Is he done? Oh, and he releases the hold.
Wow. Part of me thought that was it, Cole. Beautiful technique.
There he goes, crashing to the floor.
These superstars wearing the wounds right now of what has been an absolutely thrilling matchup. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Dodges a bullet there. No, he releases the hold.
What in the world is he thinking? Does he not want to win?
Eludes that one. This might be it.
Oh my.
He's in trouble.
The end.
What a strike.
Things are about as bad as they can possibly be right now for Finn Balor. Things do not look good for Finn Balor.
Well, it's not going to be pretty. Boom! A knee right to the face.
That should do it.
Snapmare takedown. Oh, roundhouse kick. He's in a vulnerable spot now, guys.
Look at him. He's wide open for attack.
Look out, there he goes.
Knocked right off his feet.
You gotta believe this one's over. He goes down hard.
Yeah, he's not looking very good at this point, Cole.
Nailed it. Down he goes.
That'll do it every time.
He's looking at it. He's making a statement here with this attack. Interesting decision here, Corey.
I don't know. I kind of like it. He clearly wants to inflict some more punishment.
And there's the reversal from Finn Balor. He wants no part of the outside. Look at this. That one fails to connect.
Great idea by him. Too bad it was awfully executed, though.
That'll hinder your modeling career.
We may be looking at our winner here, guys.
Nobody does it better, Michael.
He's lining him up. He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Slammed with authority.
You're not going to win. Going for it all here. Is he done? No, he releases the hold.
What in the world is he thinking? Does he not want to win?
Oh, what impact.
looks like both these superstars have found that little extra something to keep themselves going here tonight.
Oh, he turns it around.
Oh, and a terrific reversal by Finn Balor. This is what makes him one of the best in the business. We know what's coming here.
He looks to be losing a bit of leverage here.
Oh, and he finds a way to escape.
Wow. Cole, I think this entire arena had written him off, myself included.
Nice job getting out of the way of that one. What a strike.
Here's his moment, Michael.
Knocked him right off his feet.
Yeah, no kidding.
Look out, look out. This could be it.
Ooh. If that doesn't end it, I don't know what will. Oh, nasty impact.
Oh, and the ref gets absolutely floored.
Yeah, but let's be honest, a light breeze would knock him over.
Whack.
Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
Whack.
Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
And he's taken down with authority.
I think I felt the ground shake on that one.
When this guy's on, look out. Codebreaker! Here he goes.
I don't think he's got it completely locked in.
It's cinched in. He got him to tap out. And here's another look at some incredible action from a match that we're not likely to stop talking about for a long, long time.
I can watch highlights of that one all night long. One of the great WWE matches I've ever been able to watch.
Here is your winner, the Butcher.
Uh-oh. Business is about to pick up. Uh-oh, this is the confrontation we've all been waiting for.
Oh, man, what a leg drop. Oh, boy, he is rolling. Goldust looking to end things. A curtain call. Game, set, match. This one is over.
He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does.
Sling blade!
Nicely done. Whack! Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
Oh, shows no mercy.
And that poor chair. It looks like a twisted heap.
Goldust gets out of the way quickly.
Goldust loves to play mind games.